we just got another one out. And the door comes complete with a gang of boxes that go with it. Yeah. So we finna do a 3.0 system on this one. The two previous bikes were highway bikes earlier this week. Now we on the 3.0 big boy toys. Yeah, that part. Let's break it down tonight. That way we can have a clear palette of what we're gonna deal with tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about. Let's keep moving. Breaking it down. Or shall I say we've broken it down to the very last compound. Yeah. Only to build it back up. Gotta go. Okay. We're back at it. Now we got lowers. Got the light in. Got wiring done. Lowers. These grills. I like these metal grills. The fronts are up in there. Yeah. These are Harley Davidson moves. Real solid, heavy duty joints right here. Nondescript, but they feel in real good. So yeah. But yeah, my man got some other stuff going over here. And along with that there. Is that a special? Oh yeah, that's a whole special swing arm. Make sure this chain ain't never getting loose. Yeah, I thought it was just an add-on piece, and I got to staring at it. Yeah, that's that extra. Okay. That back rear caliber look kind of thicker than that rotor. I don't know. Guess one might say I'm looking a little too close, but I say a lot of things that are now starting to catch my eye. Now that I look at it a little longer and longer, I don't know the circumference of these barrels or not, but it definitely looks a little different. These I like. Yeah, I like these. Well, yeah. So we're gonna I guess we'll be on bag work tomorrow, seeing as how the electrical is up to the front, wires for the little bit of stuff here. So we're gonna keep it moving forward. Yeah, light bright. Day 2.